Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So yesterday gold shown really significant rally. As we said, it's possible only on an impact on the external factor, and indeed that was an announcement of the Chinese tariffs on the United States goods in the amount of the 60 billions that should start in the 1st of June. That has shaken the gold market, and demand for safe haven assets triggered, and as you can see, market has shown the big rally. So although technically market followed our suggestions, but it was really very few time for taking the position. And personally, I have missed this action, so I was not able in time to take the position, because at the first half of the day, market shows normal technical reaction. So actually, it's tending lower. And if we wouldn't have any news announcement from the China, I would suggest the market still turn to the downside. But the news has been released, and just market has shown the rally up. Now it stands in the confidence resistance around the 13 even area. So you can see this is 618 resistance and major 30% resistance of the major top. The market right now stands here. It's not quite at the very bottom, but stands relatively close. From a technical point of view, as I said, since market was able to hold above the 1266 area, holds these lows, it keeps the bullish setup, and it was no setup for taking the short position has been formed. So if you remember, we said in the weekly report, so we need to get either breakout for the 1266 for taking the short position, or we need to completion of the upward reaction. Only after that we could think about taking the short position, because if you remember, in our report in the weekend, we also talked about the weekly pattern. And here, guys, actually we could get the free drive. So that could become third drive, pullback, that is second drive, pullback, and we could get also the third drive that could lead us to the 1255 area. From that standpoint, the top of this action should be somewhere around 1310 area. So around this level approximately. And if we are correct on the three drive, market should turn down and continue downward action. If we are wrong, the upward action could continue, and that will be clear signal that retracement is over and market is standing higher. So as you can see, we gradually are coming to the important moment, vital moment for daily setup. But currently we see just reaction on this area. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we are dealing with the same, our double bottom pattern. Major resistance neckline has been broken on the Chinese news. As you can see, rally has been triggered. Now market takes some rest and relief right at the major resistance, shows the reaction. But the target of this the target of the double bottom stands in this classical at the 1310. It's precisely 1310. How we calculate the target? On the classical double bottom pattern, as you know, the target equals to the depth of the pattern, or to the width of the pattern. So you should count the distance from the low of the bottoms right to the neckline, and count it back to the upside in the direction of the breakout, and that leads you to the target. I use just the ABCD extension with the double swing of this action of the AB leg starting from this point. So it's approximately the same. You can see that this two OPs, I mark it as the 2 OP target. So double OP, and stands very close to the monthly pivot resistance one as well. So that's the level that market theoretically should climb to within the nearest time. And here we will start to watch for possible bearish reversal patterns. If we will get any, well, that will be great, and we could try and take the short position, because the reward will be really good. If market somehow will proceed higher, starting to approaching the 1325, well, it tells us that probably no retracement will happen. The market stands on upward action. So currently in this moment, I do not see really something interesting for trading. So if you were able to take the long position before this rally, you're just doing great. So you could just move your stops to the break-even, maybe take profit partially, and wait what we'll see will happen, because theoretically market should continue move higher. from the bearish point of view, guys, I also do not see something really special. I don't see some clear bearish patterns that could be formed. This rally is too fast and just 2 candles, so we don't have any double repos, brand butters, or something of that sort. So maybe if cut is cheaper to buy here will be formed, we could try to use it, but I do not see any bearish patterns. So it means that now it's not time to go short here. So that's our view on the gold market. Let's keep watching for upward continuation and what will happen around 1310 area.